The feeling of skating down an empty street, pushing as fast as you possibly can, you enter into a state of pure bliss, and everything goes quiet. I'm Josh Katz, and this is the Canon EOS 90D. Welcome to my backyard mini ramp. I absolutely love this place, and I'm super stoked to get some beautiful photos of the skateboarders on here. Now, to give these photos a greater sense of movement, I'm going to take some panning shots. Now, the 90D has a built-in automatic panning feature, which automatically calculates perfect shutter speed and aperture for you, so you can focus entirely on getting that perfect shot. Because these shots are dependent on the movement of your subject as well as the movement of the camera, it is important to shoot a bunch of these. There's a lot of trial and error to get that perfect pan. When you have a busy scene, getting higher up and using the floor as your background actually simplifies the composition, giving you a really clean shot. Ah, you got it. We're at the basketball court ledge. Now, this is an incredibly long ledge, and the tricks that they're doing are complex. So rather than shooting a single image, we're going to capture the complexity with a sequence. Now, the 90D can shoot 10 frames per second, continuous shooting, meaning I'm not going to miss a single frame throughout the entire sequence. I can stitch them all together to make one beautiful image.
Yes! Yeah!
Now we're going to slow things down. By using a slow shutter speed and panning the camera with the skater, we can capture the elegant movement of the skater, keeping them sharp while the background blurs out to give the image a dramatic sense of speed. Everyone pushes differently, and with this series of images, you get an idea of everyone's different riding styles. And when you throw a flash in there and you freeze a single moment, yet still keeping that blur, you have a spectacular skate photo.